welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to be here with you today, and I would want to give you a little bit update on what has been going on in my life recently. As you can see, I haven't uploaded a single video during the last 3 months, and the reason behind it is I had suffered a hormonal disorder when I left Perth in March and traveled around Phuket and then back in Vietnam. At that time, the disorders has led me to several mental and physical illness, such as I gained weight uncontrollably and my mood is up and down. Like I lost the motivation and I often feel myself low energy and feel like demotivated, and also my menstrual period is irregular as well. The illness gives me fears, like all kind of fears. At some point I'm really concerned about my health, like is my body okay, and should I come back to Vietnam and take a test? You know, even here it's really hard for me to get the right treatment because of the difference of the language barrier and the culture and all of the, like it's very different. Like it's easier in Vietnam to go to the doctor and check your body, is that okay, and to do like a general health examination. But here, like it's a little bit more complicated. Like you have to go to the GP and like got a consultation, and it's like it's tough for me personally. Yeah. So right now I'm still under the treatment to recover and to regain my health back, and all of those things like lead to some side effect. Like I'm starting to get sliding into the loop of forming bad habit, like not doing any exercise at all, not reading any book, and I spend too much time scrolling and like reading things on the internet. Yeah, like really bad habit, and I can't just help myself and get myself back to the track. So sometimes I feel really hard on myself, like I feel like I should get the job done and not ignore all the things and the work, and I should be more productive rather than doing nothing. Yeah, and however, the more I being hard on myself, the more I am unable to get things done and like get the control back to my life. And like I try different ways, I try to uplift my energy, my mood. I listen to like motivational videos, but then one day I came across a channel of a female YouTuber, and she said that just accept yourself as you are, accept and embrace all of our imperfection, our weaknesses, and like it's all about self-love and self-care, that it's okay to feel not okay at all, and just give the time and the space for ourselves to feel and to heal and to stay true to ourselves. So that's the time when I realized, when I across many different like motivational videos, but none of them told me to take time to yourself, like accept yourself as you are, and like be gentle to yourself no matter what. So yeah, I started to surrender and learned how to take care of my body and my mental health. Even on the Facebook platform, I just upload some of the photos that I travel here and there, but I couldn't write a status to reveal things or to share my feelings and my thoughts. Like I don't feel openly enough to share at this point of time. Yeah, so maybe that's the reason why I decided to do this video in English, because I don't feel like I want to share it in my mother tongue. I still feel like vulnerable and unwilling to share my weaknesses, to share my imperfection, to share that I've been through the tough time and I'm still not yet get over it. I always want to become a better version of myself, and to be a positive person, to look in the bright side of the things, and not to complain about the negative stuff. But when I've been through the tough times like this, like sometimes I'm not that positive person, so that I don't feel like I'm strong enough. So yeah, I'm still on the process of healing myself. Yeah, I know like some of you are still waiting for my videos or my content to share more about the life and the work here in Australia, and also about the working holiday visa related things. So I'm really grateful for that, and thank you for all of your love and your patience. I definitely will like get back on the track. It's always like a climbing journey to me, up and down to the valley and then up to the top again. Yeah, it's sometimes it's tough, but it's worth each of the climb. I feel stronger and wiser. Sometimes I went through the very dark period of time, but after that, when I can like reach to the end of the tunnel, I see the light and I can understand more and clearly about the reason why all of the hard things, all of the obstacles just come into my way. Yeah, so that's the way I look at it right now. So thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good night. See ya. I love you. You know, girl, it's alright to make mistake, and is it absolutely alright to be not alright? It is okay, we are human. At the end of the day, we learn through the mistake, we learn through the error. if you are perfect, then what is the reason for you to try harder, to get better? It's just make no sense. So it is absolutely okay. Just be more gentle to yourself. Don't judge yourself. If you need the time to rest, to heal, then take the time. Like, take it easy on you. It's just so right, baby.